Gondor water, Bath Pasteurizer. Precise auto temperature control ensures stable blanching effect. Addressing the floating problem. Ensure thorough sterilization. Thickened 304 stainless steel body. Durable and easy to clean. Connect topper supply. Turn on steam, electric heating. Pour the material into clean water. Perform water bath sterilization. Ensure even heating of all parts. Bags and bottles fully compatible. Discharge after sterilization. Applicable products. Matching machine. Client gallery. What our customers say.